Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the NX Product Marketing team. Today, we're going to be reviewing Data Release with Teamcenter Active Workspace. Data release refers to the formal process of making engineering and product-related data available for use by downstream processes or stakeholders. Think of this step as the official sign-off and distribution of critical information. Let's jump right in and get started. First off, I want you to notice the area of our screen that displays if our part is checked out. When you're working with teams on both small and large projects, this is a very critical area to consider. When you check out an NX part, assembly, or drawing from Teamcenter, you essentially reserve that specific item for your exclusive editing. Teamcenter creates a local working copy on your computer and locks the original item in the database, preventing anyone from modifying it while you have it checked out. There are two ways we can go about checking out parts. Any modeling and design changes you make on your model will automatically check out the part. However, if you would like to consciously check out your part while you're doing prep work or simply to reserve it for future modifications, you can manually check out directly from the Teamcenter window. Once this is done, we can now see in the Properties section the part has been checked out, denoted by a Y. The user who has checked out the item, and an additional icon is displayed at the top of our Teamcenter window next to the part ID, revision, and name. With the part checked out, we are now free to make any changes to our model without fear of overwriting someone else's work or having your own work overridden. Once our modifications are complete, we will then check the updated part back into Teamcenter, making our changes available to others and updating the official version history. As you can see in the Teamcenter ribbon at the top of the screen, both the checkout and check-in steps can be completed without opening Teamcenter. This integration ensures that engineers can maintain version control and collaborate effectively without interrupting their creative flow. The next step in our design workflow will be to release our part. But before releasing our part, we should take a look at the Where Used tab of Teamcenter to investigate the impact these changes will have. The Where Used tab provides crucial visibility into all assemblies, drawings, and other items that reference our part. By reviewing this information, we can proactively identify any potential downstream impacts our changes might have. This allows us to assess if our modifications will inadvertently affect other designs, require updates to related documentation, or necessitate communication with other teams. Understanding these dependencies before releasing the part helps prevent unforeseen issues, reduces rework, and ensures that all related components remain compatible and functional within the broader product structure. Releasing a part is the formal declaration that a design is complete, validated, and ready to move forward in the product lifecycle. Once this is done, we will no longer be able to edit this specific revision of the part. Any subsequent modifications will require the creation of a new revision, which will then undergo its own design and release process to maintain a clear and traceable history of all changes. If at any time we do decide our part needs to be modified, we can select Revise from the Teamcenter ribbon. After selecting our part and setting our new revision letter, we can proceed with new modeling changes, while our previous revision remains preserved and locked, serving as an immutable historical record. This ensures that a complete and traceable history of the part's evolution is maintained, allowing for auditing, rollback to previous versions if needed, and clear documentation of design progression. The new revision then becomes the active working version, allowing for further modifications and development. In conclusion, in this video, we reviewed a few important items regarding built-in data management with the Design Center X NX. To start, we discussed and explored the importance of checking out our parts. This practice ensures exclusive editing rights, preventing data conflicts and safeguarding your design progress. Next, we looked at data release and why it matters in an item's product lifecycle. We learned how formal data release ensures that only approved, validated designs move forward, which is critical for manufacturing and downstream processes. And lastly, we wrapped things up by creating a new revision to update our model with new design changes. This demonstrated how Teamcenter maintains a complete and traceable history of all modifications, allowing for continuous improvement while preserving past versions. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.